friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video, since Diwali is approaching, what I have with me is the Rhimjim Rangoli Colours. So these are colors to make Rangoli, and it's a product from Radha Krishnan Color World. And today we are going to review this product. So guys, let's start off with the packaging. It comes packaged in this net thing, like a net bag right here. And inside there's a whole box of 6 different colors that you get with it. Like there's orange, there's pink, green, red, yellow and blue. So these are 6 different colors that you get in it. Right here you can see the Rhimjim Rangoli branding right here, and the selling price, which is 69, is from DMart. Basically I bought this on DMart, so in DMart it is selling at rupees 69. The original MRP of this product is rupees 180, but in DMart you get it for just rupees 69, guys. So coming to the net weight of this, so it has 6 bottles of 100 grams each. So there are 6 different colors, so 6 bottles of 100 grams each, so it's a 600 gram pack, and you get 6 different colors in this. And overall it is non-sticky colors, non-toxic colors, uniform in size, stain proof, non-irritant colors. So those are the features of this colors. So now let's go ahead and open this pack and check out the colors inside. I'm just tearing off the net. Inside again it's packaged in a plastic covering. There's a plastic cling foil over it, so we need to open that as well. Let's tear it open. So inside the pack there are these 6 bottles, very nicely packaged. You can see 6 different colors. This side there's green, pink, orange, and on the other side there's red, yellow, blue. So very nicely packaged, and there's this cardboard box which is acting like a stand for these bottles. So now let's talk about the bottle packaging that is there. So right here I have this one right in my hand. So again on this we can see the Rhimjim Rangoli Colours. Given right here, Rhimjim Rangoli. Non-toxic is mentioned on the bottle as well, so these are non-toxic colors. So you don't need to actually worry about like your child getting intoxicated if they ingest this, but be careful still. So like this is a bottle, and it's a plastic bottle and not a glass bottle. Just clarifying on that, these are plastic bottles, and they come with this nozzle so that you can easily pour the color out the way you want it, and you can like a pen, you can use it to fill up your rangoli, so which provides you a good easy way to actually spread the colors. So like this you get with a flip top which opens up and you can close it, which is a very good thing and very easy to like the application of the color is very easy. A very smooth powder can be seen inside. A bottle full of the powder is there. So you can see orange color bottle. Similarly we have yellow, we have the other colors, pink, we have blue, we have red, and we have the green color as well. So we have 6 different colors that come in this pack. So guys, if you are looking for Rangoli colors, definitely go to DMart and try out the Rhimjim Rangoli Colours. And these are the features which are available of this color, which is non-sticky, non-toxic, uniform in size, stain proof and non-irritant colors. And this is on Rhimjim Rangoli. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.